Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create text animations in VideoExpress 2.0, which is a fun generative AI video creation app. So the text animation that I'm referring to is this type of text rising from underneath the water. So watch the video until the end because I'll also share an important tip to get this right. So I'm logged into my VideoExpress account. It has a basic video editor as you can see here. Start by clicking on Create with AI in the right side toolbar. And from this pop-up panel, choose Create Video from Prompt. You'll see this dialog box. Choose Landscape or Vertical. I'll stick with the default landscape. When generating the prompts, you can use ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, or any other AI tool that you use. And in this case, I use Grok here to generate the image and the video prompt. And I'll share these prompts in the description section. So let me go back to VideoExpress. In this image scene prompt box, enter a prompt, which is the image prompt, which is essentially going to be generating the image first. Next, use this drop down and then choose photorealistic. I'll uncheck both these boxes and then click on Create Image. It will then start generating the image based on the prompt, so just give it a few seconds. So here is the image. And if you're not happy with it, you can just hit the Create Image button again. If you hover over the image, you can use the Save button to save the image. Next, in this video action prompt box, enter the prompt that I showed you earlier. This is the video prompt. I'll check this box, which essentially increases the duration of the video clip up to 8 seconds. And then click on Create Video. It'll then start generating the video. So again, give it a few seconds as it processes it. And it'll bring you back to this page, where you'll see this notification saying that your video will appear in the media library once completed. So I'll close this dialog box. And then click on Media Library in the right side toolbar. And I'll go to the My AI Videos folder. And here you'll see the progress of the video generation. And once completed, you can then right click on it. And from this pop-up, you can click Play, which is what I'll do so that you can see the animation. And as you can see, this is the animation and it's pretty good for a first try. And I think it came out pretty good. And if you're not happy with the animation, you can click this redesign button. So let me show you another example that I created. Now, in case if you already have an image that you generated, for example, I had already generated an image from Artistly, which is another image generation app from the same creators. And so let me show you what I mean. I'll click on Create with AI in the right side toolbar. And from this pop-up panel, this time I'll choose Image to Video. From this dialog box, I'll click on Select, and you'll see a bunch of folders. I'll scroll down and click on My Artistly Images. So here are my images that are imported from Artistly. I'll select this image and click Choose. You'll see this dialog box, and this video action prompt box will be automatically populated. So I'll just select the text and then delete it and then enter my own prompt, which is the video action prompt that I got from Grok, which I showed you earlier. I'll use this drop down and choose photorealistic. I'll uncheck these two boxes and then check this box for video length booster and then click on Create Video. It'll then start generating the video and then bring you back to this dialog box, which I showed you earlier. So let me close this dialog box and then click on the Media Library in the right side toolbar. And then I'll go to My AI Videos folder, where I'll see the status of the video processing. And then once ready, you'll see it right here. So let me go ahead and play the video clip so you can see how the second one came out. I think the second one came out much better than the first one. But again, both of them look, pretty cool. Well, if you're still here watching, as I mentioned earlier, let me share a bonus tip. So these are two images. The left one is the first frame, and the second one is the last frame. Now, when generating the image prompt, don't mention anything about the text. You only mention the text in the video action prompt. If not, you may struggle to get this animation right. If you don't have VideoExpress and would like to get it for a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.